Hey second grade, it's Miss Faroker again, and I'm here for your next math lesson. So, yesterday we did all about doubles facts, right? And today we're going on to lesson 3.2. So, make sure you have that chapter 3 math book out and ready to go. And if you have it ready, I want you to open up to page 169. 169. And I want you to make sure that it says lesson 3.2 up at the top. Practice addition facts. That's where we are. Okay, so make sure you find page 169. And once you have it, let's go. If not, pause the video, find your page, and get started with us. All right, we're not going to do this first page, so let's flip it open to page 170, where it has that purple box and says model and draw. I also have a new pen today, so hopefully this doesn't leak as much as the last one did. So it says, these are some ways to remember facts. You can count on 1, 2, or 3. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 6 plus 3 equals 9. So if we're counting on, put up 6 fingers. We're adding 1, 7. Okay, we're at 6. Let's add on 2, so we're going to count up 2. So we're at 6, 7, 8. Okay, put up those 6 fingers again. Now we're going to count on 3. So we're at 6, 7, 8, 9. Make sense? That's what it's talking about when it says count on. Also, changing the order of the addends does not change the sum. Addends. Does anyone know what that word means? It's a little blurry. Sorry about that. Addends. Addends are the two numbers that we're adding together. So, addends are the two numbers that we add together. Addends are the two numbers that we add together. Addends are the two numbers that we add together. Addends are the two numbers that we add together. Right? You guys remember that little tune that we did the other day with sum? Anyone remember what sum is? Sum is the answer to an addition problem. Sum is the answer to an addition problem. Right? Same thing for addends, but addends aren't the answer to an addition problem. Addends are the numbers that we add together, right? Okay, so when we're talking about addends, it's the two numbers that we're adding together. Addends, doesn't matter which order you put them in, you're going to get the same answer. So that means that 1 plus 2 equals 3, and 2 plus 1 still equals 3. It doesn't matter how you add it together, you're going to get the same answer. So over here we have 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 equals 8, and 6 plus 2 equals 8. It doesn't matter what order those addends are in. You're going to get the same answer. Make sense? Awesome. Okay, now let's go on to the actual figuring out answers part, right? This is the fun part. So let's go down here. We're going to write the sums. Let me slide this over. Okay, so number 1, we have 4 plus 4. It's a doubles fact. We know our doubles. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Okay, now we have 4 plus 5. So if 4 plus 4 equals 8, 4 plus 5 has to equal what? 9. You also could count on. So if I have 4 and I count on 5, I could go 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There we are. Answer is 9. All right, let's go to number 2, 5 plus 0. If I have 5 cars and I add 0 cars, I still have 5 cars. 2 plus 0. If I have 2 balloons and I don't get any more balloons, I still have 2 balloons. Number 3, 3 plus 8. All right. If you can't get that in your head, what you can do is count on. We have 3. Let's count on 8. So we're at 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So our answer is 11. 8 plus 3. Well, if 3 plus 8 equals 11, then 8 plus 3 has to also equal 11. Right? Because we just talked about it. Those two add-ins, it doesn't matter which order they're in. You're going to get the same answer no matter what. Then we'll go to number 4. 5 plus 5. Another doubles fact. Easy. 5 plus 5 equals 10. If 5 plus 5 equals 10, then 5 plus 4 would equal 9. One less. You could also count on. So we're at 5. Let's count on 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Boom. There's our answer. Number 5. 5 plus 7. All right, again, we can just count on. We have 5, so let's count on to 7. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Another tool that you could be using right now is your hundreds chart. If you like using your hundreds chart, you could tap along till you get to your answer. That works too. There are lots of ways to find answers to math facts. We can use our brains, we can use our fingers, we can think of helper doubles. We also can just use a hundreds chart or a number line. I mean, there's so many possibilities. I want you to figure out your answer however makes sense to you, okay? So whatever works for you, do that. All right? Let's go to number 5, or we're at number 5 still. So we had 5 plus 7 equals 12. Well, if 5 plus 7 equals 12, then 7 plus 5 has to also equal 12, right? Because it doesn't matter about those add-ins. Number 6, 7 plus 7, what does that equal? 14. 7 plus 8, we're just adding one more. So our answer is 15. Done. Let's go to our last line here. Number 7, 3 plus 7. If you know your make 10 facts, this is super easy. 3 plus 7 makes 10. It's 10. And if 3 plus 7 equals 10, then 7 plus 3 has to also equal 10. Number 8, 9 plus 3. Again, if you need to count on, we could start at 9 and count on 3. 9, 10, 11, 12. Answer is 12. Well, if 9 plus 3 equals 12, then 3 plus 9 has to also equal 12. Number 9, 6 plus 6. That's double. It equals 12. 6 plus 5, that 5 is one less, so we just have to go down one more. It's a helper double fact, right? So this is 11. All right, how do we do? Are you guys feeling good? This should be kind of a review from last year. It's just adding, right? It's just all of those facts. Over here on your own, I want you to try this on your own. I want everyone to try it because I think you all can do it. So right now what I want you to do is pause this video and figure out these answers. Pause. We'll go over them together. I want you to try it first. Pause, pause, pause. Okay, hopefully you paused. We're going to go over the answers now. Hopefully you paused. If not, there's still a second here. Pause it. Okay, let's go. I'm going to go through these super quick because hopefully you already have the answers and you can just correct yours if yours are wrong. Okay? 7 plus 1 equals 8, which means 1 plus 7 equals 8 as well. 4 plus 0, easy. 4. 9 plus 0, 9. 5 plus 5, it's a double. It equals 10. 5 plus 4, it's one less. I'm just going to take one away to get my answer to be 9. 8 plus 2 equals 10, which means 2 plus 8, it's the same two add-ins. It doesn't matter what order, so that 2 plus 8 also equals 10. Number 14, 3 plus 3, that's a double. It's 6. 3 plus 4, we're adding one more. That's a helper doubles fact. We just got to go up one more to get the answer to be 7. 7 plus 8. I can think in my head of a helper double because I know right away that 7 plus 7 equals 14. So if I add one more, my answer is 15. 8 plus 7, well 7 plus 8 equals 15, then 8 plus 7 also equals 15. 4 plus 1, I'm just going to count on and add one more, so the answer is 5. If 4 plus 1 equals 5, 1 plus 4 also equals 5. 0 plus 7 equals 7. 0 plus 6, 6. 8 plus 8 equals, that's a double, 16. 8 plus 9, we're just adding one more. So our answer is 17. 5 plus 3, 8, which means 3 plus 5 is also 8. 9 plus 9 equals 18. It's a doubles fact. 9 plus 8, we're just adding one less. So we're actually going to go down one. We're going to subtract one from this 18 to make our answer 17. 6 plus 7, I'm going to think in my head of a helper double. I know that 6 plus 6 equals 12, so if we add one more, our answer is 13. 7 plus 6, well, if 6 plus 7 equals 13, then 7 plus 6 equals 13. Woo! That was fast. How'd you do? I bet you rocked it. I bet you crushed it. All right, let's keep going. Number 22. Sam painted 3 pictures. Ellie painted twice as many pictures as Sam. How many pictures did they paint together? So, again, I'm going to read it again because I read story problems twice. Sam painted 3 pictures. Ellie painted twice as many pictures as Sam. How many pictures did they paint all together? So the question is, how many pictures did they paint all together? So write all the... Sorry, let's retract that. When I see the word all together, I know that I'm going to be adding. Because if they want to know all together, then I got to put 2 things together. And that's adding, right? So I'm going to be adding, but what am I going to be adding? How many pictures Sam painted and how many pictures Ellie painted. So Sam painted 3 pictures and Ellie painted twice as many pictures. Okay, so she painted double what Sam painted. So if Sam painted 3, Ellie painted double that. So I have to go 3 plus 3, which equals 6. Okay, so Sam painted 3 and Ellie painted 6. How many did they paint all together? 6 plus 3 equals 6, 7, 8, 9. Our answer is 9 pictures. Good? All right, we got one more page to go. Oh, you can still see it. Bummer. I thought it would work better. Okay, number 23. Chloe draws 8 pictures. Reggie draws 1 more picture than Chloe. How many pictures do they draw? Let's read it again. Chloe draws 8 pictures. Reggie draws 1 more picture than Chloe. How many pictures do they draw? I gotta speed this up. I only got 2 more minutes. Okay. So, how many pictures do they draw all together? Chloe draws 8 pictures. Reggie draws 1 more picture than that. So, Chloe drew 8. Reggie drew 1 more than Chloe. So, he drew 9. So, 8 plus 9. Got to solve that. I'm going to think of a helper double. 8 plus 8 equals 16, plus 1 more equals 17. So they drew 17 pictures. Number 24. Joanne made 9 clay bowls last week. She made the same number of clay bowls this week. How many clay bowls did she make in 2 weeks? Joanne made 9 clay bowls last week. She made the same number of clay bowls this week. How many clay bowls did she make in 2 weeks? So they want to know how many bowls she made in those 2 weeks. Okay, so she made 9 bowls last week. And she made the same number of clay bowls this week. So, last week, she made 9. This week, I'm just going to put this. She also made the same number, so she also made 9. So to figure out how many clay bowls she made both weeks, we have to add 9 plus 9, and 9 plus 9, that's a double, it equals 18. So 18 clay bowls. All right, last problem. Got to be fast, 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 fast. Only a few more seconds. There are 9 raisins in the bowl. Devin puts 8 more raisins in the bowl. Complete the addition sentence to find how many raisins are in the bowl now. So there are 9 raisins in the bowl. Devin puts 8 more raisins in the bowl. Complete the addition sentence to find out how many raisins are